How to install EA Sports FC26 on PC. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to install EA Sports FC26 on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official EA Sports website. Once you're there, click Download EA App. If you're using Windows, choose the Windows version. If you're on a Mac, let me know in the comments. After the download is finished, open the downloaded file and install the EA app on your device. The installation steps will appear on your screen. When the setup is complete, sign in to your EA account. You'll see several sign-in options available. I usually sign in with Google. After signing in, select your date of birth and region, then click Continue. Next, review the terms and conditions, select the option at the top, and click Create Account. Once that's done, close the window and open the EA app. Now, use the search bar and search for FC26. Then open the first result and choose the edition you want. After that, click Buy, add your payment method, and then click Pay Now once the button becomes available. That's it! EA Sports FC26 will be installed successfully on your PC. Still having a problem? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.